Hello students, welcome again to the world of accountancy. I hope you all are working hard at home. This is Amit sir, your accountancy teacher. Now through this video we will do revision of chapter number 1 with the help of some MCQs. Let's start. Now for doing revision of chapter number 1, that is introduction to accounting, I am taking help of some MCQs. First question says bookkeeping and accounting. First option is means same and are used interchangeably. B option is does not mean same and are not used interchangeably. C option is means both A and B. D option is none of the above. Again, if you remember the definition of accounting, which clearly says that bookkeeping provides base for accounting, or we can say accounting starts from the place where bookkeeping ends. Hence, the scope of accounting is much wider in comparison to bookkeeping. Therefore, they can't be termed as same. Hence, option B is correct, which says they does not mean same and are not used interchangeably. Second question is accounting. First option is includes bookkeeping. Second, does not include bookkeeping. C option is may or may not include bookkeeping. D option is none of this. Now again, if you remember the definition of accounting, which clearly says that bookkeeping provides base for accounting, or we can say accounting involves all the steps which are there in bookkeeping. Hence, accounting includes bookkeeping. Therefore, option A is correct. Now, question number 3. Which of the following will not be recorded in the books of account? Again, before moving ahead with the option, you must know that we always record all those transactions in the books of account which can be measured in form of money. It means all other transactions, whatsoever importance they may have, if they can't be measured in form of money, we are not going to record them. So, first option is sale of good. Yes, we can record or measure this thing in form of money. Second is payment of salary. We can measure that thing in form of money. Hence, we will record it. Now, C option is quality of staff. We are not capable of measuring that thing in form of money. And next option is purchase of goods. We can measure the amount of goods which we purchase in form of money. Hence, option C is our answer because we can't measure quality of staff in form of money. Hence, we are not going to record that transaction in books of account. Now, question number 4. Bookkeeping is concerned with recording financial data relating to the business operation, designing for the system, recording, classifying, summarizing recorded data, and C option is interpreting data for internal and external user. D option is all of the above. Now again, if you remember the definition of bookkeeping, which says bookkeeping means identifying, measuring and recording financial information only. It means its main objective is to record financial data related to business operation. Hence option A is correct. Now, fifth question, which is the last step of accounting as a process of information. Again, if you remember the definition of accounting, which involves the process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and communicating. Therefore, last and final step is communication of information. It means option C is correct. Last and final step of accounting is communication. Now next, basic function of financial accounting is to first, record all the business transactions. Second, interpret financial data. C, assist the management. D, none of this. Again, basic function is related with bookkeeping, and the basic function of accounting is to record all financial transaction. Therefore, basic function is record all business transaction. It means option A is correct. Next question is transactions are posted into ledger account from voucher. Second option is journal. Third option is bank statement. Next option is none of this. Again, if you remember the definition of accounting, in which classification comes after recording, and recording means recording events in form of journal, and classification means transferring those journal towards ledger. Hence, journal provides base for ledger. Therefore, transactions are posted in ledger account from journal. Therefore, option B is correct. Now, eighth question. Which of the following is not business transactions? Again, if you remember the definition of accounting, in which we will record all events which will affect your business. Now, it means all other transaction, whatsoever importance they may have, if we can't measure them in form of money, or some of the events those are of personal nature, are not recorded in the books of account. Now, on the basis of that definition, I am reading option 1, purchase of goods for resale amounted to rupees 50,000. Again, that transaction is of financial nature and it will affect our business, therefore we will record it. Second, paid salary and wages amounted to rupees 10,000. Again, that transaction is of financial nature and it will also affect our business, therefore we will record it. Option C is rent paid for office premises. Again, that transaction is of financial nature and it will also affect our business, therefore we will record it. Next option is purchase of LCD for personal use. Yes, that transaction is of financial nature, but that transaction is not going to affect our business, hence we are not going to record it. Therefore, option D is correct. Now, next question. It's question number 9. Which of the following transaction will not be recorded in the books of account? Again, the transactions which are not recorded in the books of account are of personal nature or of non-financial character. Now, first event says purchase a LCD for personal use, paying the amount from personal bank account. Yes, that transaction is of financial nature, but that transaction is not going to affect our business because payment is made from his personal bank account. That option is correct, but we are not going to mark this option. It may be possible in next few options some other options are given which are similar to this one. Hence, two or more option may be your answer. Therefore, we must read all the options carefully. Next option is purchase of machinery for manufacturing. That transaction is of financial character and that transaction is also affects our business. Next is purchase machinery for resale. Again, that transaction will also affect our business. Paid salary and wages affects our business. Hence, option A is the only possibility in which transaction is of financial character, but we are not going to record it because of its personal nature. Now, finally, the last question for the day. It says accounting does not show realizable value of the business. It is an limitation of accounting, advantages of accounting, both A and B, none of this. Say accounting does not show realizable value of the business. That is an limitation of accounting. It means option A is correct. Accounting does not reflect the realizable value of any asset since it follows historical cost concept which we will study in third chapter. Now, before ending this video, I just want to tell you in description of this video, link of my Telegram channel is given from where you can download the notes of next chapter and the worksheet is to be done for completing this chapter in Fair Notebook. Thank you and goodbye.